Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Today we're talking about a big question. How can we learn English easily?
Yes, so many people want to speak English well, but sometimes they don't know where to start.
That's true. So, Sarah, how did you start learning English?
Hmm. I started by watching cartoons in English. It was fun and simple. I learned many words that way.
Nice! I started with English songs. I listened to the lyrics and tried to understand. Then I read the words online.
That's a great idea. Songs help with pronunciation, too.
Yes! And I think practice is super important. Just like learning to ride a bike, you must keep trying.
Totally agree. Also, don't be shy. Make mistakes. It's okay.
Right. Talking with friends in English helps a lot. Even small words or short sentences are good.
Yes. Like, how are you? I'm fine. What's your name? Simple and useful.
You can also use apps. There are so many now. Duolingo, Hello Talk, or even watching YouTube videos.
Oh, and reading. Start with children's books or comic books. Easy and fun.
One more thing. Try to think in English. Don't always translate in your head.
That's smart. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more naturally.
So, let's repeat our tips. 1. Watch cartoons or shows. 2. Listen to music. 3. Read easy books. Practice speaking. 5. Use apps. 6. Think in English.
Great list, Tom. Listeners, don't worry if it feels hard. Just start small and keep going.
You can do it. English is fun and you are smart enough to learn it.
That's all for today. Thanks for listening to Let's Talk English. See you next time.
Bye, and keep practicing.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts and tell us what topics you'd love to hear next.